Kindergarten, today I'm going to ask you to read and record this book for us. It's really important that you record this story for us. Now, this is going to help us understand how you are reading. And moms and dads, we're going to ask you to give them wait time and not whisper words to them because we really want to use this as a benchmark book. A benchmark book really helps us understand how they are doing in their reading. And so when you give them the answer that kind of doesn't help us hear how they figure things out, okay? So I'm just going to tell them up front some strategies that they're going to have to use in this book, but then we would really appreciate if you just let them read and record it for us. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, so the name of this story, I'm so sorry, let me go back, is I Can Help. And in this story, this little boy wants to be so helpful, and he thinks he can help in so many ways. So we're going to have to use lots of strategies. We're going to want to use our picture clues. We're going to want to stretch out words. We're going to want to remember things like when two vowels are together, the first one says its name, or that oh, when you pinch each other. We're going to need to remember some of those kinds of things. We're going to have to look for like chunks that we know inside of words. We're going to need to look for like blends, all the things we have been working on. We want to see, oh, magic E. We want to see if you can do that by yourself. And if you sound something out and it doesn't sound right, try to flip the vowel. So we're going to use this book to see if you're getting all of those strategies like two vowels again. Oh, here's another two vowel. Oh my gosh, lots of two vowels in here. So, in the end, the little boy does need some help, doesn't he? Okay, so today I'm going to ask you to read me this benchmark book and record it and show me all the strategies that you're using. Moms and dads, again, we're going to ask you just to let them be and do it on their own. It's going to give us so much information about how to help them become the best readers ever. Thank you.